In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel Conversations tab. This is your central inbox in GoHighLevel, where you can view and send messages across channels like email and SMS, all in one place. I'll walk you through composing a new message, adding an attachment, and for demonstration, deleting a conversation from your view. Start on your sub-account dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct location if you manage multiple accounts, so every message lands in the right workspace. Next, open the Conversations tab from the left sidebar. This brings up your unified inbox, with filters and search to help you quickly find the right thread. To start a brand new outreach, click New. This opens the composer so you can initiate a message instead of replying to an existing thread. In our example, choose Direct Message. This is ideal for one-to-one communication with a single contact. You'll also see options for Group Message and Internal Chat. Group Message lets you message multiple contacts together within a single conversation, handy for small announcements or coordination. Internal Chat is for team-only discussions inside your account. Nothing sent there goes to your contacts. Now, select the contact you want to reach. Search by name, email, or phone, and confirm you've picked the correct record. Click. Continue to move into the message composer. Add a subject line. This is important for email and helps you track and organize conversations. For text messages, the subject is for internal organization and won't be visible to the recipient. Type your message clearly and concisely. Provide context up front, and, if you're emailing, consider a short call to action so the recipient knows what to do next. If you need to include supporting materials, add an attachment. Click Attach Files, then choose Upload from System. This lets you browse your computer and attach files like PDFs, images, or documents. Keep an eye on file size limits, and when in doubt, link to large files instead of attaching them directly. When everything looks good, click Send. The message will go out via the selected channel, and you'll see it appear in the conversation timeline. For our example, let's open the conversation you just sent to and remove it from your inbox. With the thread open, click Actions, then click Delete. Confirm by clicking Yes. This cleans up the conversation from your view in GoHighLevel. Keep in mind, deleting a conversation here does not retract messages already delivered to the recipient. That's it. You've just learned how to navigate the Conversations tab, start a direct message, attach files, and manage your threads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.